Toomey and I aren't going to see eye to eye on this Culver thing. And that's okay. I still have...
100% agree. We see completely eye to eye on how less capable and magical I am than him, okay? Like, I'm not...
I'm sure we can see eye to eye.
I never thought we'd see eye to eye enough to work together. Thank you. Okay.
I might not always see eye to eye with Steve, but he knows how to drive profits.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, no. God and I don't see exactly eye to eye.
I'm delighted we finally see eye to eye, but I suspect Miss Charles had something to do with that.
English Idiom Challenge. What does see eye to eye mean? Correct answer is to agree completely with someone. See eye to eye means to completely agree or have the same opinion as someone. It's often used when people share the same views or understanding about something. Examples. After a long discussion, they finally saw eye to eye on the project plan. My parents and I don't always see eye to eye about my career choices. Like and subscribe for more idioms.